Hi all, this is the unboxing of the Sony NWZ-Z150 Walkman. Very sexy little device here, 16 gigabytes. Let's see what's in here. It's quite difficult to actually get into. Never fail, we shall take it out now. Alrighty, so here's the device. Looks like it's about the size of an Android Samsung Galaxy S2. Fairly sexy color. And here it looks like we have a USB charger, no PowerPoint adapter, so that you will have to obtain that separately. So here we go, USB charger. The device itself is wireless, so you can just transfer everything wirelessly to your computer. And we also have a pair of Sony Walkman headphones and extra attachments for size. What a mission. Here we go. Very nice. Attachments. So there you go, quick start guide. Device itself. The first Android MP3 player. The USB charge cable. And the earphones. Let's give this baby a whirl.